to my channel. So today I have a quick video. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I'm going to be answering a question from a fellow follower, and it is, what is the difference between the Cricut foil and the foil quill? Sorry, I went blank for a little bit. And foil quill. But before we get started, I want to do something a little bit new and a little bit different. If you guys know me and follow me on TikTok, you guys know that I love God. So I want to show you a little Bible verse that I love. And so, whomever is in Christ is a new creation. The old things have passed away. Behold, new things have come. 2 Corinthians 5:17. So I inspire you girls or guys to go and check this one out in the Bible, because I feel like it talks about letting go of your past, and He's creating your future. He's bringing your new things into your life and letting go of the old. So yes, go check that out. And like I said, it's in 2 Corinthians 5:17. So let's get started with the video. I hope you guys like the Bible verse of the week. Love you girls, love you guys. God bless you all, and let's get started. I'm going to explain the difference between the foil of the Cricut and the foil of the foil quill brand. This one you have to use a heating tool, which is the one that you've seen my first video of how to foil invitations. It's this one from Foil Quill. And the Cricut, it's actually like a pressure tool. So this is a Cricut tool, and it has 3 little tips that you could change: small, medium, and large, I believe. I don't know the exact name of them, but it's based on small, medium, and large. And what it does, it puts pressure on the foil, so it gets stuck into the paper. It transfers to the paper or to the acrylic or wherever you want to put it. So one of my followers asked me that why don't I use the Cricut tool with the Cricut foil instead of the foil quill while I'm doing my acrylic invitations. So I'm going to answer that question, and I'm going to show you girls and guys the difference between foiling with your Cricut and foiling with the foil quill in acrylic. So let's go. So we're going to start by removing the protective sheet from the shape, whichever shape you're going to use. I'm using the rectangle 5x7. So I only took one side off, and I'm going to start with the Cricut foil. Let me put this aside. Sorry. So this is the sheet. This is the rose gold side, and this is the silver side. So we're going to use the rose gold side on the side that we took the protective sheet from. So what's this one? I'm going to place it down. I'm just going to cut it really quick and tape it. If you guys haven't seen my previous video on how I do my foil ones, go ahead and see it, because that's where I explain how to tape your acrylic sheets. There you go. So I'm going to do this really quick, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now that everything is taped, I grabbed my gold vinyl. I'm gonna chop a little piece off with my X-Acto knife, just so that I could know and not get confused with my Cricut foil acrylic sheet and my foil quill acrylic sheet. Okay, so just to clarify, the little row I'm grabbing is not foil quill. It's just that I use the foil quill to foil it, but it is from We Are Memory Keepers foil. Okay, so yeah, they're basically the same brand, but that's the one I'm using. And then I figured out that I ran out. So I ran to my cubbies and checked if I had any other, and I had a gold color. So now that little piece that I chopped off to identify which one it is, it was no longer needed. But anyway, so here I am, just gonna tape it the same way I did for the other one. Now that we have both acrylic sheets ready and foiled, I'm just going to open Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to use the design on the border video that I did last Wednesday, which was this one. And I'm going to go ahead and put the foil under foil and medium, obviously for Cricut, and then the other one in pink is for foil quill, so that one's under draw pen and in 0.4. I'm not going into so much details on exactly how to do them, because I do have a video on how to do the acrylic foil invitations using the We Are Memory Keepers foil. So this is just so you could see the side-by-side comparison of how the Cricut foil works and how the We Are Memory Keeper foil works once it's actually on the foil. Just keep in mind that Cricut is a pressure on foil and the foil quill is a heat on foil type of activator. So yes, you will completely notice the difference really quick once I put the side-by-side comparison. So yeah, it's almost here. Stay tuned. I'm sorry the video got a little bit long, but I'm just trying to show you as much as I can. Okay, so now that I have both of them ready to show, this one is the Cricut foil. So you could see how it's not, well, let me get something dark so that you guys could see. Usually I always use my black envelope as a sample. I'm just looking for it really quick. Give me a second. Okay, so I want you to see that it doesn't get like the entire details. You see how the line is missing some parts? And then the flower also, it looks like it's not the detail is not all there. And then I did that face because look at the foil quill. I'm not sponsored or anything, but I love the foil We Are Memory Keepers from that brand of foil. So you could see the difference. I know one is gold and one's rose gold, but look at, I'm gonna do the scratch test, and I want you to see the difference between both of them. So this one's the Cricut, and I'm gonna start scratching the C. And you could already tell that it's starting to come off. So that's what happens when you use pressure foil on acrylic sheets or acrylic shapes. And then also use mirrored, and you could see that you start getting all the little bits of foil on your hand, and it starts taking off from the details. So then this is the foil quill scratch test. I'm scratching the F, and then I'm going to scratch the design, and then I'm also going to scratch the Q, so you could see that it's not coming off. So this is why I prefer this one. 100% every time go with this one when you're foiling on acrylic. Cricut works fine with paper. It's just an acrylic. So now I'm going to do the comparison side by side. You could already see the flower detail where it was erasing. Now I'm scratching the F, so you could see that too. And there you go. So that's the side-by-side comparison of the foil from Cricut and from We Are Memory Keepers. If you like it, comment and subscribe. Love you. God bless you all. Bye.